Welcome back to another video, guys. Just going over the 23 Maverick XMR XRS. Just kind of doing a couple adjustments here. One of the things is the seat. It's got kind of a rake back to it, and there's an adjustment here, so you take the bolt out here and drop it to the lower one right there. That'll flatten the seat out so you're not so raked back. More comfortable for me. Just a more comfortable position for myself. Just like the other rig here, the XMR. I just flattened it out so it just sits flat. A lot more comfortable position for myself. I also put a link box on this guy over here. It's got some storage in there. They come with a quick clip that goes in here. Just hooks in there and you twist the cam locks in there. It's a quick release kind of deal, but not a huge fan of that type of setup, so I actually bolted it in. Just put a couple bolts and nuts through here. Super easy, just drill the hole. There's right down to one of the link box connectors there, and just a nut and washer there. Super easy. Easy to take it off if I really need to, but more secure. It's nice and tight. But leaves you a little room for stuff in there, and then fits nice under the air intake and stuff like that. Doesn't impede on any of that stuff. So yeah, just a quickie video just to kind of show you what I did with that instead of using the actual little clip they give you for it. And it's just solid. Locks down tight. Even I was about to put a little lock on there if you want to. It's pretty cool.